Part of my role within the day opportunities, there would be quite a lot of community development work where we'd be linking in with different stakeholders in the community for individuals with a learning disability to access. There was an area of need. It was identified from adults with a learning disability around the barriers to accessing technology and the risks involved in technology. And I was trying to find a solution, trying to find education or training to address those areas of need. But there was nothing out there that was structured for adults with a learning disability. All the different stakeholders that I was working with were working in silos. Each one had great experience in their own. And if you think, technology is evolving every day and we need to evolve with it. And especially within my service, like we came off the back of Bamford, which one of the principles was citizenship. That's moved now to digital citizenship. So we need to move with the times, but we also need to have the education and training to prepare adults with a learning disability to make informed choices whenever they're going to use that technology.
You have to watch what you're doing on the internet, because that means then you can bring trouble back to yourself. Don't be sending your photos or give your name, or don't tell them you'll have. Watch when you're going on your phone. If you see like a number, a different number, do not answer it. They've got your name and then they've got your address and they've got your bank account, and that's you.
So the title of the project was Empower Yourself, Making Informed Digital Safety Decisions. There was no education or training that was consistent. So part of my research was identifying ways that it could be consistent. The project became much larger than I anticipated, purely because there isn't anything there that does deliver those needs as such. So that's why it's ongoing. It's a programme that will be continuously ongoing. Some of the training that has took place to date has been facilitated by the PSNI, sessions completed by Informing Choices. Some of the staff team would go down and provide educational advice or support as and when I suppose situations arise.
The police taught us for dangers of scammers, and the police taught us for the dangers of bullying. Very important in your life to keep yourself safe.
Within the Day Opportunity Service, there is a few different social opportunities, social outlets where adults with a learning disability would come together to complete sort of leisure activities, developing friendships, accessing their local community. And that's a place where all the different areas are discussed because it is in a more informal, relaxed sort of atmosphere. It's probably the best place that we can then capture as many people as possible to get the education and training. The feedback has been positive, but one of the barrier still is not having that continuity of training and education. Adults with a learning disability would prefer an ongoing sort of education training system that they can tap in and out of. The skills that I've developed, being able to be more confident now, even though I feel like I had those community development sort of skills there from the course, I know those values are ingrained in me. Just the confidence to be able to go out now and try and develop more opportunities for adults with a learning disability has just been so beneficial. Professionally, I would now be looking at the service through a community development lens and seeing what can benefit the service and the individuals that we would support. I thoroughly enjoyed the course from start to finish, and I feel like I have developed professionally and personally from completing the course, so I would highly recommend it. It's never too late to complete community development. The people from the ground up can make those changes. With just a bit of assistance to get the ball rolling. The resources are out there, the services are out there. It's just about pulling it together and making sure that the needs are being addressed from the ground up. That natural synergy between social work and community development. So many issues and problems could be addressed through taking that community development approach. So rather than trying to create services, what we think people need, it's about speaking to people on the ground that need our services and working from the ground up. So this course has given me a new sense of love for my job.